Uneven breast workout. Even your unequal size breast. This uneven breast workout is especially designed for women with unequal breast sizes to even out unequal breast size problem. In this video for uneven breasts, our main concern is weaker right breast area. These unequal breast workout videos will help you learn how to make weaker right breast bigger and lifted. Cross-handling warm-up. Begin your uneven breast workout with a warm-up exercise. Stretch arms in front of you and quickly cross hands over each other. This warm-up exercise for equal breast size will strengthen shoulder muscles and chest muscles. Do this workout for 30 seconds to improve flexibility and strength. Arm lift below. Take light dumbbells in your both hands. Stretch left arm in front of you and lift right hand holding dumbbell in upward direction higher than the opposite arm. As your right breast area is weaker than the left breast, that's why it's important to give strength to weaker area to make two breasts equal in size. Bend elbow chest press. Hold two dumbbells, keep one arm straight while bend elbow of right hand. Push it backward and then forward. Repeat this exercise for 30 seconds. Keep your shoulders straight during uneven breast workout. Cross arms. Make fist of left hand and stretch forward. Hold dumbbell in right hand. Move right hand with dumbbell one time from above the left arm and then from below the left arm. Pull right hand as back as possible and then move it over and below left arm. Diagonal arm lift. Hold dumbbells in both hands, bend elbow of left hand and place left hand behind head. Pull right hand from back to front diagonally with dumbbell. Do this activity 15 to 20 times to equal both breast sizes. Keep yourself hydrated during the workout. Elbow butterfly anti-clockwise. Bend elbow of right hand and hold shoulder. Move right elbow in an anti-clockwise direction to train chest muscles and give strength to weaker breast muscles. Dumbbell push-ups. Hands and knees on floor, tuck toes on floor. Place two dumbbells in a stack. Hold with right hand and bend torso and then raise upper body. This knee push-up involves full body muscles and not only help you to lift your loose breast but also help you lose belly fat. Single hand lift from back. Right hand with dumbbell on your back and opposite hand holding right elbow. Bend right elbow and then stretch upwards as many times as you can in 30 seconds. Keep your back straight during the uneven breast workout. sitting chest abductor. Bend knees, dumbbell in right hand. Move both hands in a circle and then pull elbows as much as possible. With a little jerk, this exercise for even out uneven breast is best. Upper diagonal chest press. Hold dumbbell in left hand and stretch it in front of chest. Hold dumbbell in right hand and bend elbow backward and then straight arm upward. Repeat as many times as possible in 30 seconds to give a good strength to breast muscles. This exercise will improve breast muscles elasticity and make smaller breast grow.